The drone community is buzzing with excitement over the recent leaks surrounding the DJI Mini 5 Pro. A promotional image shared on social media platform X has unveiled groundbreaking features that promise to elevate the ultralight drone experience, all while maintaining the coveted sub-250-gram weight. Here's a closer look at what this upcoming drone might offer. At the heart of the Mini 5 Pro's upgrades is its rumored 1-inch camera sensor, a significant leap from the Mini 4 Pro's smaller sensor. This enhancement is set to deliver superior image quality, especially in low-light conditions, along with richer dynamic range, ideal for photographers and videographers. The gimbal has also been reimagined, now supporting vertical shooting modes to cater to social media creators. This eliminates the hassle of cropping footage later. Additionally, the camera's ability to tilt upward, a first for the Mini series, opens new creative avenues, from capturing towering structures to unique aerial perspectives. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to push boundaries with a remarkable 25-kilometer range and up to 50 minutes of flight time, reducing interruptions for battery changes. Safety takes center stage with advanced LiDAR obstacle avoidance, featuring dual front-facing sensors and inward-facing black sensors for superior navigation, even in dim lighting. A surprising addition is built-in audio recording, a rare feature in drones. While external mics remain the professional standard, this onboard option could be a boon for vloggers seeking to integrate narration or ambient sound seamlessly. The drone retains its compact form but introduces subtle design tweaks, such as additional legs on the front arms and main body, enhancing stability and durability. Precision landing sensors and an LED ground illumination system further ensure safe nighttime operations. AI-powered tracking is another standout, offering smoother subject tracking and intelligent flight modes. These features are tailored for creators and professionals who demand high-quality aerial footage with minimal manual input. Staying under 250 grams means the Mini 5 Pro sidesteps stringent regulations in many regions, including registration requirements in the US. This makes it an attractive option for both hobbyists and professionals seeking convenience. While DJI has yet to confirm pricing, industry experts anticipate a higher cost compared to its predecessor, justified by its cutting-edge upgrades. With its 1-inch sensor, vertical shooting, AI-driven capabilities, and extended flight performance, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is poised to set a new standard in the ultralight drone market. As the official launch approaches, the anticipation only grows. Could this be the ultimate drone for creators and enthusiasts alike? What do you think? Would these innovations convince you to upgrade? Share your thoughts.